Hello, and welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use proxies inside MostLogin. First, open MostLogin on your computer. From the dashboard, go to the Profile Management section. Click Quick Create to make a new browser profile. Choose the profile type, give it a name, and then click Confirm. In the Proxy section of the profile, click the Edit icon. Change the proxy protocol to HTTP. Now, open your Lightning Proxies account. From the dashboard, choose your plan. Adjust your country, city, or state settings. Set sticky sessions if needed, and copy your proxy details. They will look like this: host, port, username, password. Go back to MostLogin and paste the proxy details into the proxy fields. Host is the proxy IP. Port is the port number. Username is your proxy username. Password is your proxy password. Click Check Proxy. If everything is correct, you'll see a green status showing it's working. Finally, save the profile and click the launch icon. MostLogin will now open with a unique identity running through your Lightning proxy. That's it. You've successfully connected Lightning Proxies with MostLogin.